Maybe I should have told him while I had the chance. I shouldn't have gone to P50's party. Now I don't think P-50 will ever like me. I'm such an idiot. Now what?
Hey,
Hi.
we were just about to go bowling, but we thought we'd include you.
I don't know.
What's wrong?
No, it's nothing. I'm just a little stressed out, I guess.
How come?
I don't want to talk about it. It's personal.
Maybe going bowling with us will help get your mind off it.
Well, I suppose you're right. Alright, let's go.
Sweet.
Strike one.
That's baseball jargon.
Alright.
Maybe a little bowling will take your mind off of things.
Thanks, P-50. Here.
Where are you going, Lingo?
I gotta go take a discus. I'll be back. Whoa. So sorry. Jay, it's okay, I didn't expect to see you here. Jay, is that P-50 over there? You guys should team up. No, I'm on a team with the 2001s. No. Well, maybe you two could team up in the next game. Actually, that was my last game. I gotta go.
Hey, Lingo. It's your turn.
Great. Okay, I'm 1200. No. Hi, P-50. And Pearl Sterling. Hi.
I just brought her here as a friend because she needed some cheering up.
No. Well, Window is here with the 2001s. I think she wants to go with you.
Lingo,
You should ask to join her team. It could be me, you, Window, and Pearl against the 2001s.
I dunno. Lingo has been acting a little strange lately.
Well, that's just because she's been hiding her feelings for you.
KM 1200. Can't you give it a rest? Things are complicated right now. And I don't know if we're in the right place to talk about dating yet.
Well, that's why I wanna help you guys get together.
Where are you going, Lingo?
KM 1200, what do you think you're doing? After this game is done, you and P-50 should team up. What? But this is my last game. Once I'm done, I'm leaving. Oh, you don't have to be nervous. It'll be fun. And me and Pearl can join too. It'll be us against the 2001s. Yeah, that sounds like fun. What? No. I don't want to be on a team with you.
Whoa, Lingo. Calm down.
Window, I'm just trying to help. I don't need your help. I never needed your help to begin with. You all are stressing me out.
Take it easy, Lingo. What has gotten into you? You're scaring Pearl.
Ooh, looks like you got some competition here, Window. Enough.
Lingo. What the hell? What on earth did you do that for?
What have I done? What is going on with me? How could I do such a thing? Now everyone is going to hate me for what I did.
Talking to yourself again, princess.
Not a good time, P-50.
What happened?
None of your business.
It's about P-50, isn't it?
Yes, it's about f***ing P-50. He's in there now with his new girlfriend and rubbing her right in my face.
New girlfriend.
You know Pearl Sterling, right?
Oh yeah. Cyclone's ex.
Yes.
Wow. So, P-50 likes someone else?
What do you think?
Whoa, take it easy. You're steaming more than a hot sauna. I gotta say, the way you raged there made you look quite attractive.
This is all your fault, P-50. P-50 probably hates me now because you made me go to your stupid party last night. You're so manipulative.
How is this my fault? I didn't make you go. I gave you a choice. You chose to go to the party, even after you said you weren't going to. That means you put yourself in this situation. That's your fault, not mine.
You're right. I don't know what's wrong with me. I just feel like my head is all messed from the stress I'm feeling. I'm so sick of this drama, P-50.
Now you know how I feel. Say, I know a way to help you get away from the stress and the drama.
How?
Why don't you come with me and my gang? We can cause some trouble together, and you can take your anger out in anything that stands in your way.
What? No. I can't do that. I'll end up in prison.
Oh come on. Prison is survivable, so it's worth the risk. Plus, it's where all the badasses are. So stop being such a goody two-shoes and join me. We all saw what you did to that talking traffic light. You're already getting started. Plus, you had fun at my party. I know you did. If you join me, there will be more where that came from.
Well,
Come on. This will really help you relieve your stress. You will feel much better if you join me. Trust me. It's what you need most. Your mind is all over the place right now. And nobody will find out about it. It can be our little secret.
well, okay. But just for a little while.
That's the spirit. Evil is more fun than good anyway. Now come on. Let's get out of here before someone sees us. Yes, she's starting to warm up to me now that she thinks P-50 is dating Pearl Sterling. Lingo is definitely going to fall in love with me now. Maga. Alright, now if you're gonna be one of us, you gotta change up your look so no one will recognize you.
Yeah, that paint job's gotta go. Green and purple are too clashing.
Okay. No one asked for your opinion.
But you're known for your green and purple design. The moment the others see you, they are gonna ruin your chance of getting everything out of your system.
Yeah, I suppose that's true.
Alright boys, get to work.
How do I look?
With your eyes. Just kidding. See for yourself.
I love it. It matches my laser eyes.
Yeah.
I'll say. You're looking fine.
Hey, lay off shorty. Now nobody will be able to recognize you. So, what do you say we all go have some real fun?
We're all in.
Lingo.
It's party time.
Awesome. Let's go.